To create the unique MLA Potlam Biryani, first, prepare the rice by soaking 1.5 cups of basmati rice, then boiling it with whole spices like bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves, salt, and ghee until it is 70–80 cooked. Drain this rice and set it aside. For the masala, heat ghee or oil and fry 1 large chopped onion until golden. Add 1 tsp ginger garlic paste, then 1 chopped tomato, cooking until soft. Stir in spice powders 1–2 tsp turmeric, 1.5 tsp red chili, 1 tsp coriander, followed by 250 grams mutton keema, browning it well. Add a 1/4 cup yogurt and salt, then cover and cook the keema for 15–20 minutes until tender. Next, add 200 grams of cleaned prawns and cook for just 3–4 minutes until pink. Finish the masala with a ½ tsp garam masala and fresh coriander and mint. To assemble the biryani, layer half the cooked rice over the keema-prawn masala. Then add the remaining rice. Cover this and cook on very low heat for 10–15 minutes. Finally, to create the potlam, beat 2 eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and chili powder. Pour this into an oiled non-stick pan to make a large, thin omelette. While the top is still slightly moist, place a generous portion of the hot biryani onto 1/2, then fold the omelette over to create a sealed pouch. Serve this wrapped biryani immediately, seam side down, with raita.